The story of Senator of Kakamega Boni Khalwale has been one trending story over the weekend, and now it has taken a new turn after the villages in Kakamega and also the neighbors too. The worker to Boni Khalwale, who is claimed to have been killed by Khalwale's bull. He was the caretaker of the bulls to Senator Boni Khalwale. Now, what we're being told, Khalwale said that the guy was taking care of the bull and now the bull decided to kill him. Ikampiga na pembe ikamuua. Na alijaribu kuelezea explanation of how the young man died. Lakini now a certain story has been published after one man went on kuongea on social media. Let me say, aliongea aswa kupitia runinga akiweza kudai ya kwamba Boni Khalwale ziwaka huyu hakukufa kwa ajili ya kuweza kuvamiwa na wale fahali ama niseme those animals that he was taking care of, because the story is that, you know what, hiyo nini ndio iliweza kumua. Lakini there is a new twist as locals accuse Kakamega Senator Boni Khalwale of killing his domestic worker for allegedly having an affair with his wife back at home in Kakamega. This is a story that has triggered a lot of conversation on social media because people are trying to find out, but let me ask a question. There is some truth in what these people are trying to portray, because how can you take care of a bull? Hata kama tunasemanga fahali na ng'ombe ni wajinga. At the end of the day, they do know they are the people that take care of them. They know the people that wameishi kuwashughulikia. Halafu uwezi kuwa umeshughulikia ng'ombe kwa zaidi ya miaka 20 ama miaka 10, alafu huyo ng'ombe afahamu ama we mwenyewe ufahamu jinsi ya kuondokea mitego na uvamizi kutokea kwa huyo mnyama. That's where some truth comes in. Now, the senator last weekend told the media that his worker, who had worked for him for at least 20 years, had been gored to death by his fighter bull in Asio. Now, Wakenya wanaongea na wana react with different comments in regards to this story. Nataka sasa tusikize the comments from different Kenyans vile wanasema. Anasema Fashionista Constant anasema these are extremely serious allegations and this man better bring forward the evidence, because very soon his life will be in danger, either because he is telling a lie or he knows the truth. Stiga Hart says huyu kwanza ndo aekwe ndani alafu explain vile anajua hizi mambo zote. Because the man is the one that has claimed that Khalwale alipata kumalizana na kijana kwa sababu ya kuwa na affair na mkewe. Another one here is Francis Nancy says, could be because 20 years and you mean the bull forgot who cares and tends to it? Aye, but then again, bulls then must be like pit bulls. Yeah, enyewe pia hiyo swali ndio watu wengi wanajiuliza. How about 20 years of taking care of the bull and then the bull just decides to turn on you? How? Now that's what's up. Mana huyu jamaa, the explanation is Khalwale alimaliza huyu mse alafu akaenda cover up the story, akarusha mwili pale nini vidonda sijui nini, a lot of stories. But we are waiting to hear what Khalwale has to say against the said story, because these are serious allegations upon him. Kumbuka mwili wa huyu jamaa bado hata haujapata kuzikwa. Ni hayo kwa sasa, tuungane katika video zetu zijazo. Hii ni FM Show KE.